Uh, we started the company in 2001. In the beginning, we were been dealing with building glasses and related to glass materials. Then over the time, from a demand of our customers, there was a high demand for plumbing materials. So we thought of even going in a venture to have a plumbing stores.
So just last year we visited one of the plastic exhibition and we discovered a good technology of making 3-layered HDP and PPR pipes, and that is how it all started. When we saw the new technology and we said, now since we already in this market for last 18 years, we already have our own brand names and there are several plumbing fittings which we have been importing on our own names, like the threading seal tape and all those angle valves, gate valves, so many kind of products on our own name. So it suddenly came and we saw the new technology and we both decided and discussed that why don't we introduce, since we have the market and experience in this.
The main reason for this, for making this 3-layer pipe, it is to have a easy identification of a gauge, what gauge of a pipe it is. Outside there is a grey layer inside and we have a green layer in between. This green layer reflects the pipe, it is 16 bars, and these pipes are made for hot and cold water both. These pipes are high pressure pipes, basically used for domestic use, industrial use, and maybe even chemical, because the material which has been used here, they are mostly it is chemical resistant. So these pipes can be used whether in factories or laboratories or in any kind of applications apart from electrical.
Pipes za OM eza PPR neza HDPE nungi ba customer bazagadde ne ba technicians, ba plumbers ne ba engineers on many sites bazagadde era bazikozesezza. Okusoka OM batukakasizza nti bakozesa virgin material okuviira ddala ku pipe za half inch okutuuka ku pipe za 4 inch oba okuva ku 20 mm okutuuka ku 110 mm zino ze mulaba wano. Pipe ezo ziri affordable, buli omu asobola ogigula ate nga mpangazi, era obuwangazi bwabo sola bukompeyalinga mu myaka, wabula ziwangala obulamu bwonna, tezifedinga, tezikorodinga, ate nga za food grade material, tezicontaminating amazzi era zikwata high pressure.
This pipe can handle up to 95 degrees of a hot water at 16 bars. So the grade, the strength and the durability.
Thickness eya PN20 neya PN16 za njawulo kubanga tuziina mu PN16 nga ya green era tuziina ne mu PN20 nga ya red munda. Ya red ngeno bogiraba. So osobola okuzaawula ne boba otumye mwana ku hardware yange omutumye pipe ya PN16 oba pipe ya PN20 omugamba bugambi ndeetera pipe ng'eyina layer ya green munda. Mpozi ekyenjawulo kye saabagambye ekyawula pipe zino ku pipes eziri ku market. Pipes zino za layers 3 oba kye twaliise multi layer oba 3-layer pipe. Ekitabadde ku market ye Uganda bano be basoose of this kind of pipe okugireeta nga ya PPR ng'eyina layer 3. Ekyenjawulo ekirala, ba manufacturers abalala babadde batulimbye nti bakola pin 16 oba pin 20 naye nga si kyekyo, but tusobodde okidemonstrating wano mu hardware yaffe nti pin 16 eyaddala yeeno ne bw'ogiweta temenyeka, ne bw'ogezaako gikola kyonna ky'oyagala temenyeka, kyokka pipes endala bw'oziweta ziba fallinga waneeno n'emenyeka n'ekola cracks n'ebeera ng'esobola okukola leakages.
These are 100% virgin materials. Even the material what we get, they are the latest material, the latest grade of a material, which is RA150E. Compared to in the market, you can find there are also other material grades which are lower, but to give a strength to our pipes and the durability. We are using the latest grade of a material.
Bwe twafuna amawulire ga products zaabwe, in particular PPR pipes ne PE, twali iga nnyo okulaba kiki ekiri mu products zaabwe nga tulaba ziinamu enjawulo ewerako compared to other pipes eziri ku katale ze tubadde tukozesa. Nga mukyo twalengeramu element ya 3 layer. Ne tulengeramu ne element ya color identification. Ebintu ebyo byatukwatako nnyo nga tulaba nti nga ba plumber equally nga bwe tulaba ab'amasanyalaze electricians bwe batambuzaamu emirimu gyabwe batambuza line nti yine eno line ya red eno live black yellow kwe naffe bwe tubeera n'ekintu kyaffe nga kitambula bwe kityo nti oli bw'aba ataddewo pipe nti yo ya green oba ya red oli asobola okumanya nti eno iba ejja tambuza amazzi aga hot eno aga cold in that nti newabantu babaddewo less an accident oba babaddewo obuzibu bwonna ku line, one will know where to kizo oba where to correct than okutema obutemi gafula oli n'atema n'asala asaze pipe enamu n'enfu naye nga anoonya line eyafudde yabadde ya hot naye agenze kusala line eya cold. Agenda okumaliza repair works zonna nga ziturns out to be costly.
The production capacity, what we have, it is 8 tons plus per day. As we talk of per month, it is almost more than 250 tons per month. We have 2 extruder plants which are in running. Also, we have placed another plant which will be here by around December. We may have one more plant. Yes, at the moment, even if it is to supply all of Uganda, we are ready. We have enough stocks of materials. We have enough production capacity.
Mpoze ekirala pipes zino ffe tuzina no mu dduuka lyaffe Busega, because edduuka lyaffe erisa Urban Works nga bwe mwakirabye lisangibwa Busega, naye ziri spread all over Uganda, ziri everywhere. Gwe buli onooyagala ogijja batadde ba dealers ne ba suppliers mu bitundu bya Uganda ebyenjawulo, Gulu, Mbarara, Masaka, buli kasonda konna k'omanyi. Then bwe twogera ku market yawo yaffe Kampala, osobola ozisanga Nakasero mu shauri yako, osobola ozisanga Ntinda, Mukono, because make sure nti bazituusa buli mu kitundu kya Uganda.
Yes, we have several numbers of stockists in the market, which I can say more than 50 stockists within the Uganda, and our product has already reached in most of the area of Uganda, and within 1 or 2 months time we are targeting to extend our product to the neighboring countries like Sudan, Congo, Burundi, all those countries.
Mpoze ekirala nze kyenfunye ku bana ba OM Plastic, bw'obakolako order ng'oyagala pipes mu hardware yo oba mu dduuka lyo erya retail, bakuwa transport. Bw'ogula bulk orders, bw'ogamba nti oguze tracker ya pipes za different sizes, bakuwa transport okutuusiza ku dduuka lyo. Ekirala balina obwangu okusinziira ku manufacturers abalala bembadde ngulako ebintu, bo balina obwangu nti ordaringa ku makya ebintu by'oku ssaawa 6 oba 12 oba obifunye.
So the feedback has been very good, and about the service, our service is very fast due to our in-house logistic department. We have several numbers of trucks, so whenever we receive orders, within 24 hours our product reaches the stockist place.
Era mbasaba abasuubuzi, ba dealers, ba suppliers mujettanire kubanga it's a good product ate ekola amagoba. Ekyo nakyo kikulu nnyo bw'obeera business person omanyi kyenjogerako. Kirungi nnyo okudiringa mu kintu nga it's a good quality and at the same time profit making. These pipes are super quality and profit making if you stock them in your shop.
Our head office is located at Namanwe Industrial Park, opposite China-Uganda Industrial Research Institutions. We have an outlet in Nakasero, Seruma Plaza, shop number AG06. That's our retail outlet.
In the same way, tugezaako okuteekateeka a launch, a workshop, nga tuyita baplamba baffe, bamemba baffe, bamemba n'abatali bamemba. Actually kino tekiriiko membership. Memba n'abatali bamemba, bonna from various fields, bajje batuyigatteko, balabe technology ono, bano abantu bakikola batya, products zaabwe zino zitambula zitya.
We, in collaborations with the PTA, that's the Plumbing Technical Associations, we are launching our products to all the plumbers, existing plumbers, on 27th October at Namanwe Industrial Park.
Transport is going to be free from town to Namanve, to and from.
The picking points we have agreed, it will be one, we will have a picking point from Nakasero, where our shop is, plus 6th Street, where we have our branch also.
Whoever wants to come to the launch, there's a free transport, no matter whether one is a member or it's not. At the launch, the other thing, other than having free transport, free eats and drinks, free entrance. Everything will be provided. The other thing that one should expect at the launch is exhibition. There will be quite a number of products that will be exhibited, in addition to those of OM. There are other partner organizations like Chris Tank, they'll be there, Shark, they'll be there, plus other manufacturers. Iranga, in this very launch, not only launching products OM, n'engeri gye zikolebwamu, tugenda kulaunching naffe ku luno app yaffe. Ebaddewo since COVID yawe twabeera mu COVID is when we said, okay, this app bagiyita Find a Plumber, oba PTA, oba Find a Plumber. Eno app yaffe eno bwe twagala okugilaunchinga. App eno enkola yaayo ekola ng'abamanyiko safe border bwe zikola, oba Uber, in a way that if one needs a service, a plumbing service, kabeere a customer, a client, kabeere a technician, bw'aba ayagala plumber, you just go to that app oba on the website, n'ogenda Find a Plumber, ejja kuleetera plumber. Oli mukono, olina omulimu gw'oli okoleyo, weetaaga manpower, let's say you are a plumber, a technician, weetaaga manpower, just go to the app, ejja kuleetera plumber abali okumpi awo, abali mu mukono, than bw'onogenda okuyita plumber ali e Masindi, oba omuyisa ali awa, whereby n'ebbiri ennyingi gy'anaabajja okuwa ng'eri very high.
We welcome all the plumbers to come, check our plants, review the products, and give us their feedback.